Hello, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today obviously is Sunday, and Sunday's always the day that I like try to pull myself together and pull my life together. It involves like cleaning my room, cleaning everything, trying to get caught up on schoolwork if I fall behind, just trying to be as prepared as I can for the week. Sunday's like just the perfect day to reset. So here's my outfit for the day. Did not get dressed up because that just, no, not happening today when all I'm gonna be doing is like cleaning. This top is from Aritzia. I got it on Black Friday. It's so comfortable and the crop is like just perfect. And the necklace is this necklace set that I always wear from Princess Polly. And then I have these sweatpants which I got in 6th grade, and then these slippers from a FabFitFun box. Some version of this outfit is literally what I wear pretty much every day. Loungewear is superior. But the first thing to do today is make my to-do list to tell me what to do today. Why is picking out a color so hard to decide? Orange. I'm literally still writing the date as 20, even though there's like literally a week left in February. I still write 2020 like half the time. I don't know. So now that my to-do list is done, I was gonna update my Notion for the week, except the Wi-Fi went down, so I guess we're not gonna be doing that right now. Instead, I'm just gonna clean my room and just pick it up. I try to vacuum and dust and like do all that other cleaning stuff on Sunday morning because it just feels good to have that done for the week. Also, I'm looking at our basketball hoop right now. I really want to throw a basketball through that snow in the hoop because I feel like that would be so satisfying. I see those like photo shoots on Pinterest and on Instagram where people like sit on the basketball hoop, but I feel like I would fall down if I tried to do that on that basketball hoop, even though I kind of want to. But I don't feel like injuring myself. Anyway, as I was saying, let's go clean stuff. Bed is made. I feel like at this point I can't do anything without listening to music as like entertainment when I'm doing stuff. Chores, music, exercise, music, reading, classical music. Anyway, another thing that I always do on Sundays is clean up the mess of clothes that's everywhere in my bedroom. There's always like a pile of clothes that isn't like dirty, but I just didn't hang up for some reason. And then I just have like a random outfit on the ground here. Also on some Sundays I like picking out my outfits for the entire week, and other weeks I'll just like pick out the outfits each day. Just kind of depends. Also, I rearranged my bookshelf the other day again for like the 500th time because that's just what I do when I get bored. I don't know. But it saves so much space like stacking the books sideways. And then down here too, I've just stacked more of my books. I think I'm gonna read the Akotar series next. I just have the Grishaverse books here, and then other books that I just want to read soon too. I know this video is not like a bookshelf tour. I just wanted to show you my new organization, which will probably change in the next week, but oh well. Whoops. This video is gonna have a lot of time lapses, so I apologize, but also time lapses are kind of fun. I find them very satisfying, and I like when they're included in YouTube videos. They like add a little bit of spice to the video. I really hope this chocolate brown trend like stays in style for a long time because I just love neutrals, and the chocolate brown like works good with my hair color and stuff, and it looks really good on like pretty much everybody, so I hope this trend stays in for a while. This shirt is just so cute. Okay, vacuuming time. Low-key, vacuuming is like one of my favorite chores because it's kind of fun. I don't know. I like cleaning. Sometimes. Sometimes I don't. Room is relatively clean, yay. Okay, now the Wi-Fi's back so I can update my Notion for the week. If you saw my last video about like how I stay organized, you know that every week I update my Notion. It's a productivity app that I'm obsessed with. And basically school-wise, I'll go in each week on Sundays. Well, I'll just show you instead of tell you. I don't know why that sounded so passive-aggressive. It'd probably be easier to screen record this, except I don't really want to. So, here's my weekly school to-do page. Duplicate the template, move the template down to the bottom, figure out whatever the days of the week are to, why do I not know this? Okay, delete. Gosh, what's tomorrow's date? So today's the 22nd. I'm gonna hope these are the days of the week. If they're not, that's kind of awkward, but whatever. And now I just fill out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday with all of the assignments that are listed on the syllabi for all of my classes. So it's pretty simple, but I like to have all of my school assignments organized for the week so I can like time management. Now that that's done, pretty much all of my sort of planning things have been completed for the week. So for the rest of the, well, it's almost afternoon. It's like 11:30-ish now. Then the rest of the afternoon, generally on Sundays, I will spend doing homework and just editing a video, doing whatever sort of chill thing at my desk. Sometimes I won't do anything and I'll just read because we all know that that's like my favorite hobby ever, but whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do now, probably exercise in a little bit. Also, I got this the other day from Amazon. It's a textbook stand. It's really cool. See, you can adjust it like this. So it can be at like whatever height you want it to be. And then you just take the textbook and then you can place it on here. I wouldn't do this with like an actual book that I'm reading because I don't want to ruin the book. But it's really nice for textbooks when you're taking notes because then these things come out and it just props the book up like this. It makes note-taking so much easier because I don't have to like hold the page open when I'm like trying to type out the notes. So I thought I'd share this with you because I've been loving it. Now it's time to actually read this instead of just playing with the textbook stand. So that's pretty much it for this Sunday morning routine vlog sort of, I don't even know what I would call it. Now I'm just gonna work on some more homework, edit, and exercise. Honestly, these past couple of weeks I've either really felt like exercising some days, and some days I'm just like, no. But I do kind of feel like it today, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to, subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!